Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. Today I'm going to show you yet another fingerless gloves tutorial, and if you want to see all my other fingerless gloves, then go ahead and check out the playlist on my channel page. So today I want to show you how to crochet these fingerless gloves. They are so soft because we are working in this velvet yarn and it's super bulky, so they works up really fast. They are really easy to do. We are actually just working in half double crochet all the way. So you can do these even if you're a beginner. I will go forward very slowly and explain everything I'm doing so you can follow even if you're a beginner. So let's begin. First a little about the materials for the yarn. I've used this Honey Bunny from Hobbii. You can see all the info right here. This is a super bulky weight 6 and this calls for a 7mm hook. I'm using a 6mm hook though. I will write down in the description how much yarn you will need for this project. I've used my 6mm crochet hook and some scissors and finally a tapestry needle. We begin with a slip knot. So make a loop with the yarn, take the long end of the yarn behind the loop and grab it from the middle with your hook. Then we chain 25. So yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 25 times in total. When you have 25 chains, we will now begin working into the chains. You skip the first 2 chains and do a half double crochet in the third. So 1, 2, 3 chains, do a half double crochet in this third chain over here. So you yarn over, then you insert the hook in this third chain, yarn over and pull through, then you have your 3 loops, then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That's a half double crochet. Find your next chain down here. This is your next chain. Do a half double crochet into this, so yarn over, insert the hook in this next chain down here, yarn over and pull through, and yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Find your next chain on the bottom and half double crochet into this. Continue like this with 1 half double crochet in every chain all the way across. And then your first row looks like this. Then we want to turn. So chain 2, 1, 2, then turn the work. And then we skip the first 2 chains, your turning chains, and then do a half double crochet in the back loop of this third stitch. Here it is. This is the entire stitch and this is the back loop. We will only be working through the back loop of the stitch. So yarn over, skip the first 2 chains and do a back loop half double crochet in the third. So insert the hook in the back loop of the third stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Alright? Continue with 1 back loop half double crochet in the next stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook in the back loop, then yarn over and pull through, and finish your half double crochet. In the next stitch, yarn over, insert the hook in the back loop, and half double crochet. And continue like this with 1 back loop half double crochet in every stitch. And then your second row looks like this. The second row is the one we will be repeating. So at the end of this row, you chain 2, 1, 2, then turn the work. Skip the first 2 chains, your turning chains, move on to the third, and back loop half double crochet into this. So yarn over, insert the hook in the back loop of the third stitch and half double crochet. And continue with 1 back loop half double crochet for the entire row. So just repeat this row again and again. until you have 13 rows in total, or until it fits around your hand. This measures for me, let's see, about 19 centimeters, a little bit more maybe, and the height is also about 19 centimeters. You can continue if you have bigger hands for a bit more. That's totally up to you. Now I want to connect, so I fold it like this, and then I want to make a seam of slip stitches down this edge. So I take my hook and press through both layers, then I grab the yarn and pull through everything. And again through the next stitch, insert the hook through both layers, and grab the yarn and pull through everything you have on the hook. The next stitch, through both layers, and slip stitch. All the way up to the thumb. We have to leave gap for the thumb. I continue like this for about 11 centimeters. Then I will cut the yarn, leave some for securing the yarn. You can secure this with your tapestry needle, just weave in the end on this side. And then we want to leave a little space for the thumb, and then we want to sew up a bit up here. So I will grab some more yarn and thread my tiny needle, and then I start from the top, so I am sure that the edges are even on top. That is the prettiest. So make sure it's even on top up here, and then I will just sew this up with my tapestry needle. You can also do this with your crochet hook, just do a few stitches on top. This is just to close it up, so we have this little gap for the thumb. That's it, just a little bit up here. So we now have the 11 centimeters down here, then we have a little gap, and then some up here. I can measure it if you like to see how big my gap is, about 5 centimeters. And yeah. So now weave in this end as well. Secure the yarn just through some of the stitches right here. And then cut the yarn. And then we can weave in this one as well. And then we cut it. Then remove all this extra fuss, all the other things, and then we can turn it around. And then we have the right side out. And that's it. Now we have this one, and I just made another one as well. Just the same procedure. And that's it. That's how you do it. They are so cute and really warm and nice to wear. So I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!